Second half is underway, 1-1. And they switch halves. There's a second half underway, vamos. Andre with a nice hit, it's out of play. Valentino for the lead. Oh. And I know he can really shoot it from way out, but right back to the captain, Dan. And then Andre. And then to Karl for the lead, off the post. Up. For the high heat pressure. And so was Ahnan. Andre, and then Karl. And then a save by Uday. Right back to the captain, Dan. And then right back to Ahnan. Ahnan. And then Andre for the lead. Stopped again by the Misfires keeper. Back to the captain, Dan. Turnovers are not going to be irate after this. Into the window, and it went wide. Oy, oy. Oh, and then Jay Horn couldn't believe that he turned the ball over. Good denial there by Jay Horn, number 66, and he's going to play Tabari. Look out for a long shot. Wait, wide. Valentino, Ahnan for the lead, where he had a better idea. Andre now. Andre for the lead. And they're telling the audience here. Oh, and into the glove of the Misfires keeper. And oh, look out now, Dan. Look out, Andre. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, they get a 2-1 lead for the Misfires. And Dan slams the ball in disgust. Ay, ay, ay. Next for me! A counter-attack goal after the announcement from the other side from the referee, Barry, has given the Misfires a 2-1 lead. And they have their second lead of the evening. And I'm going to be wondering about this. It's into the glove again. But it's a good goal for Ahnan. But at least it's a good shot. But unfortunately, it's being called for a handball by on the referee. Would have been a nice goal of the year, can't they? Would have been. I mean, it was a good volley. Foul call on the Misfires. And now they shot the ball. This can start a little get something. Wow. And Uday. And then Valentino. And then Ahnan. Right back to Karl. Ahnan for the tie! I went off of Ahnan. Look out, Dan. Wait on! He hangs the net onto the post and the crossbar, and Uday will take care. With a long ball ahead for Ahnan. Oh, Ahnan with a crunch. Oh! And laid it right back to the point for a non-lead pass. Karl and J1 for the lead or for the tie. Oh, and then Karl had a better idea. But, oh, there's Valentino. Karl for the tie. Oh, he had a better idea to J1. Karl. Hey! Now there it is. Free kick for Workhaus. Andre to serve up the facial. For the tie! Oh, no, what? Try to serve up the platter. Valentino! Francis! Thanks, Francis. I guess he got my message. And it's out of play off of the Misfires. Oh, and then Andre lost it again. Saved by Uday. Ay, ay, ay. Look at the long ball for the one-timer again. Saved by Uday. Right back to Ahnan. Right back to Valentino. Down. Valentino has won the ball. Ay, 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 ay.
Ref, come on, man. How many balls? Patience. Give me time to put the whistle to my ball.
And Andre and then Ahnan lost it. And Andre is having a word with Barry. And a save by Uday. And the same thing. The same conversation. And I don't blame Andre. Like he also got called for. He also didn't get called for one earlier. Saved by J-Hood. Right back to Karl, 1-on-2. His speed can really get him again. For the tie! Hey!
What the hell is that?
Yellow for the Misfires player. They call it a sriracha. Made by the Carolina Reaper powder. Val for the tie! Yes! A deflection in front! And he's all fired up here! A power play goal, 2-2. And Karl may have gotten a piece of it. And if number 7 gets a piece of it, and it's a 2-2 tie for him. Power play goal, 2-2. I think Karl with a deflection. Or even Andre, perhaps. Yes! Ahnan with his second. 3-2 Workhaus. What a turn of events. And I guess a falafel machine strikes for Ahnan. And then another power play goal again. Still a man down again for the Misfires. 3-2 Workhaus. I guess this side works even better. Oh, green line crunching by Jay Hood. Oh, that's when the momentum of the co-ed game just really get the ball out of play. Oh, I'm sorry. But sometimes... And Dan with a deflection denial. And oh, look out, Dan. Oh, yeah. Denied by the captain. And now here comes Ahnan. J-Hood on 3-on-2. J-Hood for the extender. Oh, wait, wide by Karl. And a green light in here by the captain Dan. And oh, look out, Andre. Denied. Oh, and then Karl was right there. And now look out, Jay Hood. Ay. So Workhaus has a lead for the first time tonight, and it went off the goalpost. Right back to Valentino, right back to Ahnan. Nice maneuver. He stopped up and then did the pump fake. And all the way back to the captain Dan, and then right back to J Hood. Right back to Ahnan, right back to the captain Dan. And there's Andre. Ah, beautiful. For Valentino, what a move. And also he got bulldozed. Oh, and then a takeaway by J Hood. Sees a 2-on-2 for this. Ahnan for the hat trick. Oh, way wide by Karl. And it's saved by Uday.
He just hugged you. Nothing wrong there. Just a little hug.
And even Uday has a word with the referee, Barry, right here.
Switch! Karl's got time. And on the inside.
Ah, now look how Jay Hood. Aha! Andre again! It won't work. And an extended delay penalty. Well, to be exact, the delay penalty was just about to expire. And it looked like there was another one there too. And look, look out for the Misfires right winger again. If I were Andre, oh, he took it up high. Wow.
Hey guys, talk.
J Hood, oh, he had the extender. There you go, Workhouse ball. Yep. Right back to the point for Ahnan. Ah, it was into the glove again. And Karl for the extender, where he had a better idea. There's always about communications of every education. And a shot deflected, yes! It was Karl again! That falafel machine can really work. And now it's a 2-goal lead for Workhaus. And it's their first 2-goal lead of the night. And I guess that falafel machine for Karl will keep on rolling here. Thank you. A counterattack goal for Karl again. He probably has his second. It depends if Ahnan has 2 goals. It depends on the other earlier goals, if deflections matter. But it's a 2-goal lead for the 2. Denied there by Andre. Denied there by Jehon. And that sends Karl with the keeper out of his line. Empty net. Oh, and wide. Where did it land? Oh, imagine that. Oh. Valentino always has some tricks in his sleeve, doesn't he? Wow. Like I said, he was going to go for a goal on that one. But all he tried to do was clear it out of play. Like this. Good idea for Ethio to get that ball to Valentino. Here's Karl for the hat trick. Valentino for his second. Oh, denied it. Went off of Valentino. And went off of Jehon.
Yes, foul.
Oh, yes, but hey. Yep. Wow. There's always a physical plays here at St.Patrick. Oh, Valentino was there. Right back to Andre. Valentino. Green line crunching it. It's gotta be for the Misfires. Never mind. Karl again. Oh my. Would have had himself a brace. One timer on it, and I would have had the hat trick, but it's also a corner. And on for the hat trick this time. Too far for Valentino. Well, I don't know how much time is there left. Maybe a minute or two. We'll find out. A minute. Less than a minute. It is less than a minute. I would say 40 seconds. Workhouse have done it again. Back to winning ways they go. And Valentino got bowled over. He scored into the other net. But I don't know how much longer will that have to be for Ethio Legend and Workhouse yet. Again. It might be over in the next whistle. And it will be in the next whistle. And I'm not sure how long will that take. To the defensive identities, Workhouse are pulled away. Wow. And Dan has a word with the Misfires player, but I guess that will be pretty much done. Thanks for tuning in from St.Patrick. It's all over and a Workhouse win over the Misfires. Well, thanks for tuning in, and Ethio Legend will collect a 4-2 win for Workhouse. And so long from St.Patrick, and Workhouse are back to winning ways again. Sayonara from St. Patrick in the east end of Monarch Park area as the handshakes commence to continue where they need to be atop the table. And peace.